Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So today is Monday, May the 6th, and here's what we're having for dinner. I did not have dinner video last week or maybe the week before because I've been traveling so much with my mom and getting things squared away, but she will be here tomorrow night. But the kids and I are having keto pizza, right? We used a fathead dough recipe. The edges did get a little bit brown, but that's okay. Somebody will eat them. But we are having, this is just like a Colby Jack cheese, spinach, and bacon, pepperoni. So that's what we're having for dinner, and we'll see you guys tomorrow night.
Hello everybody, welcome back to Mom's channel. And today we are having another HelloFresh meal. I think this is our last one. And it is called Saucy Thyme Steak. Now we traded out the sweet potato for the cauliflower and broccoli, and we have some green beans with that. And here's the main course, the steak with some sauce on top of that. I'm not sure exactly what it's called, but it should be delicious. So thank you for watching Tuesday's vlog, and bye.
Okay everybody, so tonight the kids and I are having Salisbury steak and cheesy broccoli cauliflower. This is a recipe I got from I'm Hungry. So if you want to look for that. I actually used ground chicken and ground pork instead of ground beef because I didn't have beef, but this worked out just as well. We did a gravy just using the pan drippings and sour cream is what I used. I didn't use anything else, no xanthan gum or nothing. So there it is. This is what we are having for dinner. Alrighty, you guys. So I thought you might want to see our breakfast. This is not a dinner, but it is a breakfast. I'm going into work a little bit late this morning and had enough time to make breakfast for the kids. So we're having a hash. This can be found in the Southern Keto Cookbook, and I also think it's in Craveable Keto Cookbook. Just some regular eggs and Southern Keto drop biscuits, and I just added in a wedge of cheese, not a wedge, but a little, they came in cubes. So I just stuck one in before I cooked them, and it baked up around it like that. Next time I'll just cover it over, but this is what we're having for breakfast. Alrighty, you guys, so it's Friday night, and here's what's for dinner. So we are at a friend's house, and my sister's here, and we are having keto pizza. So I made, this is bacon, and there's some garlic and pepperonis. So we're gonna have that. And then I also brought that spinach and artichoke dip that I made for the keto collab. So I'm gonna have a little bit of that, and then I'll show you what we got going on over here.
A whole lot of deliciousness.
This is shrimp, and then that's roasted chicken, and then she got those little meaty things, and then these are strawberries, and my sister got this dip stuff here, and of course you can have those Hawaiian rolls, and then these lime chips, and those cookies. Devil.
Said the one.
And I brought those.
Oh wait, no, you brought them there.
The brownies I made from the collab as well, and then there's cherry pie. So that is what we're having. Remember, I'm having keto pizza.